I am declaring the demonetization of all the currencies, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Today, we have the plate, the blue plate of our ancestors in the printing of all the 72 currencies of the world. I am declaring also the release of the quintal money, which has been printed a long time ago. I am calling all the people of the central banks of the Philippine Islands, release the money with our Lolo Arab, Raja Sulaiman. And besides, this is not your time. This is the time of the superpower of the divinity, wherein this is the moment we declare the divine monarchy at the same time, absolute monarchy in all over the global earth. Divine monarchy, global, and all the absolute power and authority, and at the same time,